your head up here. Just a web contact here on the cervical spine. And then go 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Drop that left shoulder. Nice. Come on up here and have a seat. Now you face away from me. But you said you're feeling a lot better already?
Oh, yeah.
Wonderful. Turn your head to the left. I'd say by the end of the week, or first of next week, we'll give you those exercises I talked about, okay?
Okay.
So if that's the case, you might wear other clothes other than jeans and boots or bring some shorts to keep it in here. Just because it's hard to exercise in jeans and boots. Yeah. Turn your head to the right. That said, I don't think we're going to be doing the split, so if you forget, we'll still be able to manage. Straight ahead now.